your makeup is going to start doing what? It's going to start slipping and sliding, moving all over the place, and you don't want that. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is LaShanae, and thank you so much for tuning into this video today. But first, before we get into the video, go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like, and comment down below because I love to interact with you guys in the comments. So today's makeup look is going to be a no makeup look because when I go to work, sometimes I like to glam it up, but sometimes I don't feel like wearing no makeup at all. Like getting ready, I'll be drained, I'll be everything. So I'll be like, okay, I'm gonna do like a no makeup look. So today I'm going to be doing my everyday go-to no makeup look today. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go in, we're gonna prime our face. So we're gonna be priming our face with the Wet n Wild. This is the Impossible primer, and this one is the one silicone-free primer that works, that does it all. So basically it has no silicone. It's supposed to hydrate, mattify, blur, and it's supposed to prep the skin for long-lasting makeup. If you're an oily girl, you want to stay away from primers that has silicone in it, because basically what you're doing, you're going to be creating a barrier, like a layer over the skin. So it's going to be your skin, and then it's going to be a silicone primer that's going to sit on top of the skin, and then it's going to be the foundation that's going to be sitting on top of the primer. And then it's going to look good when you walk out the house, when you're all sitting in front of your mirror. But then when you get outside, the air hits it, the humidity, everything, your makeup is going to start doing what? It's going to start slipping and sliding, moving all over the place, and you don't want that. So you always want to be using a primer that feels like a moisturizer that's going to absorb the skin, absorb into the skin. So you want your skin, so it's basically like a drink for the skin. You want your skin to drink it up. You don't want it to just be sitting on top of the skin. Okay, got that? All right, let's get into the primer. And for my color corrector that I'm using today, I'm going to be using the Milani Supercharged color corrector. And this is in the color 130 Deep Peach. So I really do like this color corrector. It's not too much like dark like my orange one that I normally use, but it gets the job done. And I always use this one when I do my no makeup look. So I want to go ahead and just pop that in right there. And you can get this one from either Ulta, Walmart, or Target. This is going to be a 2-in-1 makeup plus skincare. So it has hyaluronic acid, it has caffeine, and it's also a color corrector. So that's a really good thing. Because I used to always be scared to use stuff that had hyaluronic acid in it. But then I realized I can't be running away from hyaluronic acid. My skin needs it. So now I use it. For my concealer, I'm going to be using an e.l.f. Camel concealer, and this is the hydrating one. And this, I am in the shade Deep Chestnut. So what I'm going to be doing for this one, I'm just going to be applying just a little bit right over in this area right here, right in this area right here, and then I'm just going to bring this a little bit over here, and then I'm just going to let that sit for a minute. I'm going to be taking my Sephora brush, and this is the number 57. This is the concealer brush, and I'm just going to be blending out the concealer, starting with the edges first, and then I'm just going to work my way into the middle part. To brighten up my under eye area just a little bit, I'm going to be going in with my One Size Turn Up the Base concealer, and this one is in dark 1N. So I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to just pop a little bit just right there. And then just a little bit on this side too. So what that's going to do is going to brighten up my under eye area just a little bit. Not too much, but a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with the Sephora Clear and Cover Acne Treatment concealer, and this have 2% of salicylic acid in it, and I am in the color 9.5 Chai. So what I'm going to be doing with this one, I'm going to be taking this and just covering up my dark spots. So I have some right here, I have some right here, right here, then I have some in this area over here. Right here and right here. On my forehead, I'm good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let that sit for a little bit. Now that I let that sit, I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to blend that out and press it into the skin. So this is exactly what I'm going to do. So now I'm going to be using my Fit Me setting powder, and I am in the color 35 Deep. So what I'm going to be using this powder for is to set my under eye. Now I'm going to be going in with my Sephora Micro Smooth powder, and this one's in Deep 56. So I'm going to be taking this powder and I'm going to be placing this powder all over my face. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of warmth back into my face, and the bronzer I'm going to be using is the Fenty bronzer, and I am in the color Coco Naughty, and this is like one of my favorite bronzers. Like, as you guys can see, I already hit pan on this bronzer. This is like my favorite bronzer. It's bomb. So for blush, I'm going to be using the Essence blush, and this is in the Berry Connection. Now this was one of the viral blushes that went viral on TikTok. It was the dupe for the Dior blush, the one that Kylie Jenner loves so much. And this is how it looks right here. Gonna be my NARS, and this is gonna be the Orgasm blush. Now I don't really use this blush as a blush, I use it as a highlighter. So that's how it looks right there, and this is like one of my favorite brushes to go in and use as a highlighter. So I'm just going to dip that in, and then I'm just going to sweep it to give it that nice little highlight effect on top of the blush. For one of my favorite mascara, like I use this mascara like almost every day. I have two other favorite mascaras that I use, but this is like one of my favorite that I use every day, and this is going to be the Essence Lash Princess mascara, and this is in the color green. So because they have like different other colors, I believe they have blue, pink, purple, and then they have the green. Now for my lashes, I'm going to be using the Cara Beauty lashes. Now these lashes are like a hit and miss for me. Like some of them are good, and some of the bands are too thick. And I hate lashes that have really thick band. I hate them. But these ones don't have thick bands, so these are like one of my favorite go-to ones that I always wear like all the time. Now we're going to be setting our face with the Elle Stay All Night setting spray. This is a really good setting spray. This is a really good setting spray to be at its price point. So I'm just going to spray my face with the setting spray. Just going to be adding some lip gloss, nothing extravagant. This is going to be the NYX Butter Gloss lip gloss. And this one is in the color Ginger Snap. So I'm just going to be applying that to the lips just to give a little bit of color. Okay, so I just went and just put on my work uniform, and I just did my hair and added on my jewelry and stuff. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. This is my really simple, everyday go-to no makeup look. If you have any of these products, go ahead and put these products to the works because they're amazing. These are like my everyday go-to products that I stand by, and I will buy these products over and over and over and over again. But I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning in to my video today. Once again, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and comment down below and let me know some of the products that you guys use to do your no makeup look, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.